Okay, I'm gonna change the knobs of my Jazzmaster using piece of paper. First thing, we're gonna take this off. Just get in the way. And I guess I'm supposed to start the volume. Supposed to just take this paper, stick it. Okay, fuck this. We're gonna use a cue card. Just stick it underneath. Oh, it works much better. Just fuck. Fold the cue card in half. Oh. Well, it was much easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Alright. And I'm going to replace it with these black knobs. It's actually going to be a really long little makeover project. I'm taking the pick guard off soon. We're replacing it with cyan, I don't know how you pronounce it, aluminum pick guard, because I don't like this tortoise shell too much. There's still some plastic left over because it's a fairly new guitar. Only about 3 months old. Alright, and now we just take the knob and hump it into submission. Get the volume all the way up. I want the volume to look like that. And boom. Kind of looks good with just the one black one and the aged white one. This whole video was not planned. I'm just kind of doing it.